What if I told you that one of Britain's most practical camper vans didn't start life as a camper at all, but as a humble delivery van built to haul bread, tools, and cargo through narrow city streets? And yet, by 1964, this unassuming machine had quietly transformed into a compact home on wheels, offering freedom long before the camper van boom truly exploded. Meet the Austin J2 Camper, a vehicle that blended utility with adventure. But how did such a simple van become a symbol of early mobile living? Let's uncover the story. The Austin J2 was originally conceived by the Austin Motor Company as a versatile, no-nonsense commercial vehicle. Unlike purpose-built campers of later decades, the J2's philosophy was rooted in adaptability. Its designers prioritized affordability, durability, and ease of maintenance, knowing it would serve tradespeople and small businesses. However, this simplicity became its greatest strength. By the early 1960s, independent converters recognized its potential as a camper platform. Compared to rivals like the Volkswagen Type 2, the J2 offered a uniquely British interpretation. More utilitarian, less stylized, but incredibly practical. It wasn't designed for luxury, it was designed for possibility. Underneath its boxy exterior, the Austin J2 featured a straightforward yet robust engineering foundation. Built on a monocoque structure, a relatively modern approach at the time, it combined the body and chassis into a single unit, reducing weight while maintaining rigidity. This construction method made it lighter than traditional body-on-frame vans, improving fuel efficiency and handling. The vehicle's compact dimensions allowed it to navigate tight urban environments, a necessity in post-war Britain. Austin's involvement ensured that parts were widely available, keeping maintenance simple and affordable. For camper conversions, this solid base meant builders could modify interiors without compromising structural integrity, making the J2 an ideal candidate for transformation into a mobile living space. The Austin J2 employed a front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout, a conventional setup that prioritized reliability over experimentation. Its forward control design placed the driver above or slightly ahead of the engine, maximizing interior space, a crucial advantage for camper conversions. The suspension system, featuring independent front suspension and leaf springs at the rear, struck a balance between comfort and load-bearing capability. While not revolutionary, this setup allowed the van to carry both cargo and camping equipment with ease. Aerodynamics were minimal. This was, after all, a box on wheels, but its shape optimized interior volume. Compared to sleeker vehicles, the J2's strength lay in practicality, offering a stable and predictable driving experience even when fully loaded. Powering the Austin J2 was typically a modest 1.5-liter petrol engine, delivering just enough horsepower to handle urban deliveries and leisurely road trips. Performance was never its strong suit. Acceleration was slow and top speeds were modest. However, reliability and ease of repair made it mahboob among owners. Over time, some J2 campers received engine swaps, including diesel conversions or larger petrol units, improving torque and fuel efficiency. These upgrades extended the vehicle's lifespan and broadened its usability for long-distance travel. While it could never compete with modern campers in speed or power, the J2's mechanical simplicity ensured it remained serviceable decades after production ended. The J2's body design was unapologetically functional. Its flat panels and squared-off shape maximized usable space, while steel construction ensured durability. For camper conversions, this boxy form became a blank canvas. Interiors varied widely depending on the converter, but most included fold-out beds, compact kitchen units, and clever storage solutions. Materials ranged from simple plywood cabinetry to more refined finishes in higher-end builds. Large windows provided natural light, creating an airy feel despite the compact footprint. Unlike the more stylized campers of the era, The J2 focused on practicality. Every inch of space served a purpose, making it a true home on wheels for budget-conscious adventurers. In everyday use, the Austin J2 proved its versatility. Initially serving as delivery vans, ambulances, and utility vehicles, many were later repurposed into campers by enthusiasts and small conversion companies. Families used them for weekend getaways, while tradespeople adapted them for dual-purpose work and leisure. On the road, the J2's modest performance encouraged a slower, more deliberate style of travel, perfect for scenic journeys rather than high-speed highways. Its compact size allowed access to remote campsites that larger motorhomes couldn't reach. In a way, the J2 helped democratize van life, offering an affordable entry point into mobile living long before it became a global trend. Today, surviving Austin J2 campers are cherished by collectors and vintage vehicle enthusiasts. While many original vans were worn out through years of hard work, a dedicated community has preserved and restored these vehicles to their former glory. Some can be found at classic car shows and museums across the UK, where they represent a unique chapter in automotive history. Restoration projects often involve sourcing rare parts or fabricating replacements, a testament to the dedication of their owners. As time passes, the J2's rarity increases, elevating its status from a simple utility vehicle to a nostalgic icon of mid-20th century travel and ingenuity. The Austin J2 camper may not have achieved the global fame of the Volkswagen Type 2, but its impact is undeniable. It represents a grassroots approach to campervan culture, where creativity and necessity transformed everyday vehicles into tools for exploration. The J2's influence can be seen in today's DIY camper conversions, where practicality and personalization remain key. It also highlights a shift in how people viewed travel, not just as a destination, but as an experience. In many ways, the J2 was ahead of its time, embodying the spirit of freedom and adaptability that defines modern van life culture. The Austin J2 camper may not be the fastest, the most luxurious, or the most famous camper ever built, but it stands as a symbol of ingenuity and freedom. It proved that adventure doesn't require perfection, just a reliable vehicle and a sense of curiosity. From its humble beginnings as a workhorse to its transformation into a mobile home, the J2's story is one of reinvention. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts, because every classic vehicle has a story worth telling.